Hello everyone, welcome back to the session here. We are continuing with the topic called the human eye and the colorful world, part B, defects of vision and correction. In this part we are going to discuss in detail about defects of vision and correction. Students, so range of vision of a normal human eye. So what is the range? What do you mean by it? So the ability of a human eye to see objects clearly at different distances. At different distances when the object is placed, how the object is visible to your eye. That is the ability of the human eye to see the objects we call a range of vision. Near point, the nearest point at which an object can be seen clearly. At one particular point, when you place the object in front of your eyes, at that point you can see the object clearly. That will be a near point. Always remember the near point for human eye is 25 centimeters. Near point for human eye is 25 centimeters. Far point, the farthest distance at which an object can be seen clearly. When the object is placed at far point, then also it can be seen clearly. Then that point will call far point. For a normal eye, it is infinity. Now here you will be having some defects of vision. When the eye is unable to focus light properly on the retina, it results in defects of vision. What is happening here? Eye is unable to focus light properly. Where it is unable to focus the light properly? On the retina. Then it will result in defects of vision. So there are different defects. The main defects we will discuss: cataract, myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia. Cataract, myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia. So what does this cataract here? So cataract is a condition in which the eye lens becomes cloudy. Why it becomes cloudy? Due to the formation of a membrane. So cataract is a condition where the lens of the eye will become cloudy. So what are the symptoms here? You will have a blurred vision, means the person who is suffering, he will have a blurred vision and he will have difficulty in seeing clearly. So what is the cause here? It is due to aging. What is the cause, students? It is due to aging, clouding of eye lens. So these are the reasons it occurs, cataract. So how am I going to correct it? Cataract surgery will do replacement of the defective lens with an artificial lens. We are going to replace the defective lens with an artificial lens. Next comes your myopia, short-sightedness, or it is also called as near-sightedness. A person suffering from myopia can see nearby objects clearly, but he cannot see distant objects. The objects which are placed close by, he can see it, but the objects which are far, he cannot see it. So how it is caused here? What are the reasons here? Excessive curvature of the eye lens, elongation of eyeball. Excessive curvature of eye lens and elongation of eyeball are the causes. So how the image formation is? It is formed in front of the retina. So how you are going to correct it? You will use concave lens. To correct this myopia, you are going to use concave lens. The concave lens will diverge light rays so that the image forms on the retina. Why we are using convex lens here for correction? Because it will diverge rays so that the image will form on the retina. Next comes hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is your far-sightedness. So a person who is suffering for hypermetropia, what happens to him? Far objects, that is distance objects, he can see clearly, but the objects which are nearby he cannot see. Causes: eye lens has low converging power, eyeball is shorter than normal. Eye lens will be having less converging power and the eyeball is shorter than the normal. Image will form behind the retina. Image is formed behind the retina, so the correction he will be using convex lens. Why? Because it will increase the converging power of the eye lens. It will increase the converging power of the eye lens. Next comes presbyopia. Presbyopia is a age-related defect of vision. Presbyopia is a age-related defect of vision in which a person cannot see near objects clearly. A person will not be able to see the objects which are placed nearby. Why? Because the ciliary muscles gets weak, the islands flexibility of the islands will lose. There is a loss of flexibility of the islands. Correction, he will use a convex lens and bifocal lens. So bifocal lens will contain upper part, concave lens for distance, bi means 2. Bifocal lens will contain upper part is a concave lens and the lower part is your convex lens. Concave lens for distance objects and lower part, that is your convex lens for nearby vision. Hope I am very clear, students. So this will come to an end for the part B. These notes will be uploaded in the description box. You can upload from it. Hope it is clear. Any students, anyone, any doubts, you can type in the comment box or WhatsApp to the given number, students. Thank you very much, and we'll meet soon with part C. Bye bye. Take care.